Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this video tutorial I will let you know how to make a web server based home automation system using Node MCU. So friends, before going to start this video, a small important notification is there that as you can see 98% of viewers are not subscribing to my YouTube channel. Only 2% of viewers are subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is actually not worth it. So friends, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Also hit the thumbs up button for this video and press the bell icon to get an instant notification from me while I'm uploading new videos like this. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. To make this project, the requirements that we need are Node MCU, a relay module, a breadboard, and finally jumper cables. Follow this circuit diagram and make your connections. So this is all about the connections part. Let's move to our PC screen for coding part. This is the code which I have already written over here. Nothing have to be changed. Just change your Wi-Fi credentials over here. I am changing. And password. And before going to upload, please verify the code and I have to save this. And as you can see, the code is compiled successfully without any errors. And after go to tools and select the board as Node MCU 12E, ESP12E, and select the respective port. And after all verification, we just need to hit on upload button. And as you can see, the code is uploaded successfully into our Node MCU. And just go to serial monitor and just press a reset button on your Node MCU. As you can see, here we got a IP address. Copy this and paste over the browser. So let me demonstrate the project. Type the IP address which we got in the serial monitor. I am typing 192 168 and press enter. We will get this web page, and simply switch on this. And let's see the project. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I will see you in next video.